Here's another question. If 4,800 centimeter square of material is available to make a box with square base is your condition, and open base, that top, there means there is no top. Find the largest possible volume. That means we need to optimize volume. So let's visualize it. Let's draw a box. Okay. So let's see how much material. What does it mean when I say material? Material is given by geometry surface area. Okay. That is given as 4,800. That is also a condition. We need to find the largest possible volume. That is our find. Okay. So they said the base is square. Base is square. That means this length and this length are same. And let's say this length is y. Okay. So let's actually find the surface area. Base's surface area is x square. One of the wall, let's draw this wall. The wall's area is xy. And we have how many walls? 4 walls, 4xy. This is total surface area. That is given as 4,800. Okay. And what is your volume? What do we need to maximize is volume. Volume is length times width times height. In this case, both length and width are x square times y. This is your volume. So somehow, first of all, before I move, I need to make this in one variable. Okay. How do I make this in one variable? I can figure out y from this equation. So 4xy is equal to 4,800 minus x square. Y is equal to 4,800 minus x square by 4x. I can put this y in place of y. So let's try this round. This will be x square times 4,800 minus x square divided by 4x. This is your volume. I think one factor of x will reduce this factor, and we can multiply this x inside. We will have 4,800x minus x cube divided by 4,800 x minus x square x cube by 4. So this is our function which we need to maximize. You can write it like 4,800x by 4 minus x cubed by 4, which will be basically 1,200x minus x cubed by 4. For maximizing it, we need to apply the calculus. So f prime x is equal to, the derivative of 1,200x is 1,200 minus derivative of 3x cube is 3x squared by 4. Next step is to find critical points. For critical points, we need to put f prime x is equal to 0. We do not need to do f prime x does not exist because this is a polynomial, exists everywhere. For f prime x equal to 0, 1,200 minus 3x squared by 4 equal to 0. 1,200 is equal to 3x squared by 4. You can cross multiply. That means x square is equal to 1,200 times 4 by 3. So 3 can reduce this to be 400, basically 1,600. X is 40. because x square is 1600, x is square root of 1600, x is 40. Okay. We just need to confirm that f is maximum using second derivative test. So find the second derivative of function by differentiating one more time. Derivative of 1200 is 0 minus 6x by 4. Basically negative 2x, 3x by 2. When I put 40 in there, the critical point, I will get negative 3 times 40 by 2. Whatever I get, it will be negative for sure. Okay. So that means what I can write is my function is maximum at x is equal to 40. What is the function again? The function was your volume. So how will we find the volume? By using our function 4800x minus x cubed by 4. Put x 40 in there. So maximum volume is equal to 4800 times 40 minus 40 cube by 4, which comes out to be 32,000. So that is your maximum volume.